Gangster gets bodied on hardcore pawn.
Hey, where the electronics at, man? I got a PSP and 2 games right here. Need $150.
30. That's it.
I want $100. I'm not taking.
Then we don't have a deal.
This customer was looking to get money for a PSP.
I'm not going nowhere. I'm not leaving your store.
Let's go, bro.
Nah, hey, don't touch me, dog. I ain't going nowhere. Get off me. Like I'm playing with y'all.
Neutral.
I want y'all to help me out, man.
We're helping. The gas station's up the road.
The customer started to get very loud, and bro really asked for the security to step in, which was cringe.
Turn right. Good luck to the gas station owner dealing with this guy.
Bro had 0 IQ. Huge baby.
Why should I have to pay you anything extra if the policy isn't right? And I either want to buy it, but I don't want to pay you any extra. All right?
Bring me the receipt.
Well, then you got to give me my product.
I don't have to do anything.
The following customer started to throw a massive tantrum.
Bring me
You
the
got to do
receipt.
something. You taking $1 from me by trickery. Take your $71, and that's what I owe you for your product.
Then it's $1.
You should have said that verbally to me.
$1 service charge if you don't have the receipt.
This customer was just being extremely impatient and couldn't understand the fact he needed to pay.
So you're gonna say F me as a customer that have been buying for you for 10, 12 years, and I don't want to do no more business. I know you don't give a F because you make enough money. But for $1,
This guy's making this big of a stink over $1.
I'm going to give you the dollar. It will never be explained to you. It's policy of the store.
now I understand. See, because you said something to me. And it's not just $1, it's the principle.
The customer was just being a huge baby about this situation. Regardless, Les paid the fee for the customer, which was nice of him. Les didn't want to lose a loyal customer. Old fan.
What's up, baby? You all right?
I'm doing well. How are you?
This is brand new, man. It's 40 bucks.
Still wrapped up in...
Well, I mean, you know, I opened. I had to.
The heater's in the worst condition. The guy's obviously full of How am I supposed to sell this?
Man, that's like some coffee or something. It's hot.
This next customer was looking to get money for an old beat-up fan he had, which was in bad condition.
But look at it. It's melted.
I'm just trying to go to the hotel.
Maybe your room's gonna be a little bit cold. I'm not interested.
Man, give me $10, man. Damn. You're acting like an ass.
I'm acting like an
I'm
ass?
trying to give you a good.
Seth attempted to explain things to the customer.
I'm almost done here, man.
You are done. You're done.
I'm telling you, bro. You don't see me in this camo? I'm making you up in here, man. Straight up. Man, y'all's a mother, man. Man, this is some bull, man. Drunken that.
The customer started to take things too far when he started to scream at Seth. Security kicked him out. Golf clubs.
What are we doing today?
Just getting out my golf clubs.
You sold the clubs to us. You didn't pawn them. I know that you pawned. If
Where
you
are
would
they?
have
Are
looked
they
at that
here?
receipt,
Are they here?
you did not know what you were doing.
This next woman was looking to get her golf clubs out of the shop.
I clearly have a clear head. I've been sober a lot longer than you're today.
You,
How about we
to
look
me,
on the record?
You're the one that looks like.
If you get off your ass and have your thugs look for them. Anyone down on the luck you make big fat money off of in your ways.
The customer clearly didn't know what was going on, and that's when she started to be very rude to the staff.
You, get your out of here. Get the out of here.
Get your hands off of me. Hands off of me.
What the are you thinking? Don't talk about religion. This bitch had to go.
You know who breads your butter? Butter's your bread.
Sorry, slimy, vain ass.
Les wasn't going to tolerate this level of disrespect, so that's when he rightfully called out the customer and got the security involved. Ball of attitude.
Hey, don't walk past me no more. Oh, you gonna ignore me. Can I get some help over here? You know what? Give me a manager or something.
Hi.
You a manager?
Sorry.
First they sent me over there to that first long line.
This next customer started to cause a scene as she was left waiting for service, and she was very rude.
Then they gonna send me over here to stand here and wait and everything. And here it is, ain't no cord
You're,
to
like,
it.
screaming. Did you test it out before you left store?
He told me.
Excuse me.
Don't be trying to walk me out. What? Trick.
This lady was a hot ball of a mess.
Ashley attempted to cool down the situation, but the customer wasn't cooperating. The customer took things too far.
Funky stuff. I think I'm the good witch, a bad witch.
This woman was a ball of attitude. Old speakers.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. I'm Seth.
Yes, I want to sell this barbecue. You're gonna barbecue shish kebab,
How much did you pay for them?
I think like $1,000.
Really? Cones on the speakers.
Yeah,
are
what
busted in.
happened to those?
This is how I get it.
This next customer entered the pawn shop looking to get money for some speakers bro had. The items were old and very beat up.
Really?
There's nothing wrong with it.
Where'd you find it? The dumpster?
This speaker right here is very, very good.
I don't know how we're gonna come up with
5-1.
Cents.
What you gonna do about it?
Listen, you're not gonna scare me.
The customer attempted to pass these items off as some sort of luxury, but Seth wasn't going to fall for it.
You want $500? I come here for 500.
Get the off the property.
What are you?
What are you gonna do?
What are you?
Are you gonna kiss me?
Oh, what are you gonna do?
I'll be back.
What are you, Arnold Schwarzenegger?
Shut your mouth.
You shut your mouth.
This customer was promptly thrown out of the pawn shop for his terrible behavior. He was acting like a tough guy. Glasses.
I'm here to sell my yays and stuff.
Okay. They're fashion designer glasses. Really cool. How much you want for these?
The lowest I'll take probably like 40 for it.
These next customers were looking to get money for some glasses.
I'm selling these for $1,000.
So how much you give me for these?
$1,000.
I'm trying to sell these.
So if you paid $5,300 retail.
All right, give me 35. You give me 35?
$1,000.
These big boy diamonds, man.
Those ain't
everything,
big boy diamonds.
Everything iced out.
When Les told the customers the value of the item, they started to throw a massive fit in the pawn shop.
$1,000.
No, bro, why you keep saying 1,000? You see how he talking? Talking like a kid and
One.
You want raised in the hood? You said until you give me the bread that I want.
Here's a guy from the hood.
That petty ass money you offering, that's why ain't nobody with y'all.
This customer just refused to accept reality, and he attempted to speak over Les throughout this interaction. The girlfriend.
Hi.
My boyfriend stole my ID, and I find my ID in a pawn slip.
Where's the pawn slip?
I don't have it. Told me to get the out, and I don't know where my things are.
We look at their driver's license or state ID.
This next customer entered the shop in distress as she claimed that her boyfriend stole her valuable item.
He's a male and you're a female.
Well, maybe he had someone come in here.
Do you have ID on you?
Yes, I have my ID right now.
I don't have you in my system.
What do you mean? I'm not gonna come down here and lie to you. I need my things back.
Plus, this lady does not exist in our computer system here. You cannot go and use somebody else's ID.
Ashley didn't believe the customer's story since the shop's produce is pretty strict. She wasn't even on the pawn shop system.
Obviously, they're letting people use my ID.
No, I don't.
I saw the receipt for my things. I'm not gonna leave without my things.
This customer just lacked any form of self-control.
Give you my things. I gave you my ID.
Louder.
Give me a manager. Give me something.
I am. Like I said, I don't know if you're screaming too loud. There is nothing in my system.
It's raggedy as you guys. This place.
Even with Ashley attempting to help out this customer during her time of need, she continued to be rude.
Stupid place. Suck my man.
Don't come in with a bad attitude. I want to help you.
No in life. I'm up.
This was one of the craziest customers. Vacuum cleaner.
How you doing?
Got this brand new carpet cleaner still in the box, man. I only had a 90-day exchange time period and I missed it. You know, maybe you guys could use it around here,
no,
man.
we're all right. So how much are you looking for?
About $150, man.
This next customer was looking to get money for a vacuum cleaner, and things were looking pretty good.
So I'm looking at this thing. It's brand new in the box. So I'm gonna make him an offer. 60 bucks?
85, and it's a deal. We done talking.
Let's do it at 70.
Guess I gotta take it, Seth.
Roll with it?
Roll with it.
I hand off the item to my guys up front.
The customer kept on repeating that the item has never been used before, which was a bit sus. They were able to make a deal.
Hey, Seth, that carpet cleaner is used.
You told me that it was brand new. So what'd you do? Tape it back up to make me think it was new? Blacklist him. I don't want him doing business here anymore. We're not suckers.
An employee then informed Seth that the customer was actually lying and the item was used the whole time.
What the hell just happened?
Excuse me?
What happened up there? Did you look at it before you gave the price? I don't understand. You would have
Wait, what don't you understand?
I'm just letting you know.
I don't need to answer to you.
You're losing your grip. Very professional, under control.
I want to get out of work. I want to go home and just call it a day.
Ashley was rightfully pissed off at Seth since if it wasn't for the employee, the shop would have lost big money. Motorcycle.
Hey, man, get somebody with some keys to this bike over here, man. How many horsepower I got?
A lot.
Can I get the keys? I want to see if it starts. You gonna let me get it up and down the road and see what it's got? I want to see if I can get it down the road.
Unfortunately, I can't.
This customer was looking to purchase a motorcycle.
Unless you put a deposit down.
You can't let me take the bike down the road. I want to ride it up and down the road. If I like it, I'll buy the bike.
Let's try it out.
That's my dog.
That's your dog?
That's my dog.
Seth respectfully requested the customer to put a deposit on the bike, but he refused and was very rude.
You got a dog that bites? I got a dog that bites.
I give him the keys. Take it off the stand?
Why? You got somebody that's gonna stop me? I got a helper too.
I've got lots of money.
Put your hands on me. You stay the out my face. The money out here. Come on.
Yes, sir. Have a good day.
This grown man seriously had another man protect him at a pawn shop, which was pretty funny. Things soon got very messy.
Bye.
He had no enough to refer to me as a dog.
Have a nice day, sir. Kiss my ass.
Security was easily able to kick these two out. Angry man.
Looking for a power steamer?
Power washer.
Power washer?
It's gonna be right here.
Can you get a guy to help me? You don't know about, okay, well, you don't know nothing, okay? You're just a female. No, she can't help me. I need a guy to help me.
Oh, trust me, she can help you.
This next customer was looking to purchase a power steamer from the pawn shop, and he knew nothing.
Because she don't know what I want.
She can't be too stupid. She own a store.
I'm gonna show you what a real man does.
I'll show him what a real man does. Put your money where your mouth is. You wouldn't do anything.
My money right here.
Huh?
Wonder what a girl ever did to him.
This dude really tried to call Ashley dumb, even though bro was the one who didn't know what he was talking about. Double Karen.
Is Ashley in here? Talk to somebody on the phone about my ring. So I need some answers. Where the hell is my ring? Loan. It was a loan.
It was a loan.
Yes.
Okay.
He brought a receipt in.
The following customers entered the shop looking for Ashley.
Do you have the receipt?
No. Sound like the same person I just got off done with.
Lady, your boyfriend never came in.
Or do I need to come up here with a lawyer and this tell me what
Karen was attempting to help out these two customers, but they were being extremely rude to Karen.
What do you need?
I need my ring.
Start from scratch.
Don't play with me. Like I said.
You're so loud. Why all the yelling?
Hey, Ashley. Thanks for the help.
You're welcome.
Ashley soon stepped in to see what was going on, and it was pure chaos. They were then kicked out. The robber.
How can I help you today, sir?
I'm looking for a camera.
Yeah, so some point and shoots
okay,
right
over here?
How about that? $90.
All right, yeah, I think I'll take this one.
Want to put it in a bag for you?
I'll just keep it right here. I'm just gonna keep looking around. Why can't I just keep it
Well,
around?
if you pay me for it right now, I'll let you put it in your pocket.
This next customer was looking to purchase a camera, but he wanted to keep the camera in his pocket.
Let's pay for it now, and then you can keep it in your pocket.
Pay for everything at the end of the shop.
Then I'll hold the camera until you're ready.
What, you trying to call me a thief or something?
It doesn't have to make sense to everybody as long as it makes sense to me. Take that out of your pocket now.
Your store's a bunch of
You can leave, sir.
It was pretty obvious this customer was trying to pull a fast one on the pawn shop, and Seth wasn't going to let this slide.
I'd like to be able to walk around and...
Byron, clock his ass out.
Good day, brother.
No, you won't let me buy it? I'll let everybody know in Detroit, this store sucks!
This guy was just the biggest con man ever, and nobody was going to fall for his pathetic schemes. The simp.
I'm here to get my girlfriend's bracelet back.
I'm not allowed to just give anybody's item away.
I can't go back empty-handed without her bracelet.
We have rules and regulations,
Listen,
and we go by them.
give me the bracelet.
This customer entered the shop looking to get his girlfriend's item out of the pawn shop without a ticket.
My girlfriend spoke to you guys on the phone, and she left her here. I'm here with the money.
I need a notarized letter from her saying that you can pick up her stuff. I need a ticket or a notarized letter. That's the only way you can get the bracelet. Yes,
You
you're not
guys said it
getting
was okay
anything.
on the phone, bro. Give me the
Who said what?
Call me liar, bro, from behind that glass. Yeah?
It was evident this customer was lying, and Seth rightfully called him out. The customer resorted to shouting and threats.
I'm actually calling you a liar in front of the glass now.
I want my bracelet. I'm not leaving without it.
Oh, you want to bet?
Do something about it, bro. Do something about it. What do you need your boy in front of you for, huh?
That's not my boy. You're not going to come in my store and push me around. We're doing the pushing and we're doing the shoving.
Seth wasn't afraid of the customer, and he didn't hesitate to confront him face to face. He was soon kicked out of the shop. Old radio.
Obviously, if you ain't on my car, we wouldn't be up here just mother.
What the?
So shut up and let me talk.
Excuse you.
We don't even take those.
Can I talk to your supervisor?
Yeah, there he is right there.
Les is minding his own business at the pawn shop.
I'm trying to sell this radio.
Sorry, we just don't take radios.
Telling me now we can't get. Excuse you. I'm talking. All your fault. Yeah, this is all your fault.
Let's walk outside, ma'am.
Okay, I won't walk outside, but I swear to God, never see me come back in this bitch no more.
Thank you very much.
The duo then walks over to Les and tries to convince them to buy their radio. The man makes it clear that they don't accept radios.
Have a good day, bitch.
Nah, I'm not in the mood.
What the is you still in there for? I ain't your baby mama, bitch. I ain't scared of you. I'll lock my door, get in my car, and pull off on your ass.
Shut the up and just stupid ass bitch.
Even as she's escorted out, the lady keeps yelling and screaming. She starts drama with him once again. Shark suit.
I need my money. It's about 100
What's your
degrees in this
name?
thing. Greg. I'm a professional mascot during the daytime. Hyped up for the fights. Shark fights. Once you put it on, you'll want it.
Ashley and Les are minding their own business when someone in a shark suit shows up at the pawn shop.
This guy is so bizarre. So bizarre.
Oh, boy.
I am like grossed out.
This look like a Halloween costume?
Yes.
Not only is his $800 dollar demand a little insane,
Is this one size fits all? Would this thing fit?
Now you feel like fighting. Yeah. See? It works. The speeder.
Oh my God.
Les has Rick try on the suit just to see if it really is as great as the man claims.
Nobody knows what to do because nobody really wants to touch.
Fish deserve to be outside.
Dude, are you kidding me? No. You can at least help me put it back on.
Let's end this deal right now.
What's it worth now?
Up.
No,
Don't
you shut the up.
Don't.
Left fist hospital, right fist cemetery. Which one you want? Here, he can keep this.
He took his scrawny ass and walked to the bus stop.
The guy has absolutely no problem parading around naked in the pawn shop, and that's when Ashley knows it's time for him and his stinky costume to get off her property. Father and son.
Mom, no, I'm not. This my damn TV. You my son. You my son. I'm gonna take my mother. Look at that. I don't get a damn sign, said.
All the customers at American Jewelry and Loan are in for a rude awakening.
This guy comes in with his son, and he's causing a scene.
Yeah, I brought a brand new. Keep it one special I put in here. Brand new TV.
Realistically, if it wasn't brought in the box, there's nothing I can do about it. If it's brand new, why isn't it in the box? He's like, well, it was brand new.
So y'all take care of my
Am I
stuff.
screaming at you?
No. Why did my man?
It was
my
a
man
year
that
ago.
told me.
It was a year ago.
The man that
So
told
stop
me.
screaming.
Seth has been watching from the sidelines, and he knows that it's time for him to deal with this customer and his son. And guess what? Seth immediately catches the man in one of his lies.
The man that told me.
Stop yelling.
Don't say I'm with these stupid mother. I got too much sense for they stupid ass. I'm smarter than that. Too much.
That's very smart.
When things start escalating, Les has to come in and ask the son to leave before the tension between him and Seth gets worse.
All these folks all messed up.
I'll replace it. We'll write down the model number and we'll get you another base. I'll be more than happy to do it.
It won't fit. It won't fit. Appreciate y'all. Have a good one. I'm gonna get these mother. Oh, shut up, Bob.
The father continues to try and convince Les that he needs to pay up. Seth doesn't want to help this man out. Coat deal.
Hi.
Got a
I'm
headache.
trying to pawn this. My father needs a Hoover round.
What is it?
It's a Fox. What's the loan?
20.
$20.
These two ladies walk over to Les and tell him that they want to pawn a coat for $200.
Can I want to pawn this. I'm trying to get $300 for this.
That computer had grime.
We trying to get our money for
I
our
understand,
dad's
but
chair.
you're asking for prices that are unrealistic.
500, 3 and 2. If I come back there and see what I did, what you gonna do?
It doesn't intimidate me. It just gets me pissed off.
You want me to take it out your pocket?
When Les lets her know that he's not gonna make her an offer above $20, the other lady says that she wants to pawn her old computer for $300, and Les has to make it very clear.
Try it.
We ain't going no damn where. You gonna have to drag us up. Don't touch me. Don't touch.
I know they weren't telling me the truth. They just had such a bad attitude and
Y'all look at that. You better look stupid, mother. This the mother D up in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? Come on, let's go, dude.
Les challenges her to try jumping over the counter to snatch money from him, but before that happens, security steps in and drags these ladies out of the pawn shop, but their tantrums don't stop. Counter drama.
I'm 40 years old, and I've been dealing with y'all since I was 17.
woman comes in telling her she got an extension on her laptop computer. She called up for an extension on the TV, not the laptop. You called.
I'ma talk to a TV. Y'all snatch your out.
Les is working in the counter and he is up against a woman who refuses to let him get a single word in.
You a crooked ass owner.
I wasn't going to be abused, but her laptop computer was sold to another customer.
They are crooked.
So he respectfully moves away and lets another staff member deal with her. Loan tantrum.
All I'm saying is y'all ain't right.
Blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Y'all.
Here's a guy bitching about a loan that he took out.
When you come back for it, they don't even want to give you nothing for it. Don't put your hands on me.
I don't know, where's this man's DVD?
Till my DVD get here, I ain't got to leave out. I'm bringing it to you at the door. Bring my DVD. Come on. We thought we'd bring it to you outside. There you go again. We bring it. Look.
It's another stressful day for Les when a customer picks up an argument with him over something extremely stupid. Apparently, the guy has a complaint about the loan amount he received.
Dog, what the f*** are you, dog? Who are you talking to?
Oh, man.
Bring my
Oh, I would, you know what? I've never seen such a little you.